Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel DevTown. So guys, as in the previous video, I have told you how you can use the header and footer in the Excel. So I hope guys that topic is very much clear to you. If you still have any issues, you can visit to our that playlist and watch the videos. And guys, please watch also the data science playlist as I have told you guys. Okay, so this is a very interesting and a very I have included all the topics. Okay, from the basic scratch, and guys also visit the web development. So guys, now what we will learn in this guys today's video. So guys, in this today's video, I will tell you how you can print a specific range of cells according to your need. Okay, guys. So guys, this video would be a very interesting video. So let's just simply start with it. So guys, now suppose we have a data here. Suppose now we want to print that some cells or the things from the here. So guys, now suppose I want to print the cell till 25. So how I will do it? I just have to simply select it and I have to press the control plus P, which will redirect us to the this print page. So now guys, here I have to select the print selection. Okay. So I have to click on this. See guys, now it is showing all the cells which are having that we have selected according to our need. Okay. So now guys, I hope that this thing is very much clear. So now let me show you with one more example. If I press the control plus P, it will redirect me to the here. Okay, and I have selected here the print selection guys. Okay, so that's why it is showing the data only which I have selected to my PC screen. Now, guys, suppose if I want to print this row, okay, so for this, the thing is very simple. I have to select the row, I have to click on the row, okay. Like for example, I have to print this row, I will just press the control plus P, okay, and after that, it will be only printing that row. And same thing goes with the column. If I select a column and then I press the control plus P, it will redirect me to the page. Okay, now see guys, it is showing only the column. Okay, but this is how we gonna print the specific range of cells according to your need. Okay, guys, I hope that this thing is very much clear to you guys. Please subscribe to our channel DevTown. Please like this video. And guys, please also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from the DevTown. Thank you.